Hey, Kelpieone here on Stainedglasscuts. Today I'm going to show you how I drill a hole in glass. Here's what I use. A drill press. You don't need a drill press, but if you're going to drill a lot of holes, get one. I'm going to drill a 3.5 millimeter hole with an 80 grit diamond burr. Ball. It's a ball. I like the ball because you get a cleaner hole and you have better control when you're drilling the exit hole. If you're going to drill anything larger, you probably want to get a diamond core drill bit. Also, we've got a 9-inch steel cake pan to hold some water, some rare earth magnets. These are from an old hard drive. A very flat block to keep from drilling a hole in your pan. Use something that won't float. This is a salvage 5.5-inch countertop sample. And finally, some drawer liner to cushion the glass and keep it from moving around. So here's your setup. I've already taken the magnets and placed them on the drill press. Place your pan on the magnets. Now be careful because this will jump and you can get pinched. That's not going anywhere. Okay, next, you want to take your block and place it into your pan, slipping a piece of drawer liner underneath so that the block does not slide around on you. Next, I'm going to take my drill bit and I'm going to put it into my drill. That hole lined up there. And where I want it high enough that it comes out of the water, but low enough so that when I'm done, it engages my block. As you can see, we've got that. So make sure it's nice and tight. And if you really want to test, go ahead and fill your pan full of water. Make sure that your drill bit can get down into the water and it engages the block. You need to have enough height so you've got room to slip your glass underneath. Now this piece of glass I've marked with a little white dot. That's way easier to see. It's done with a Bic whiteout pen and you'll be able to see it once I get it in place. So I'm going to place my drawer liner down, place my piece of glass in the water, line it up with my drill press so that it's going to hit my mark. And at this point I'll zoom in here so you can get a better idea of what we're doing. Okay, I'm going to start my drill press. I've got a foot pedal holding my glass down firmly. I'm going to lower the burr onto my mark. Lift it up. You don't want to use a lot of pressure. You want this to be gentle. And you'll notice there are like little bursts of water that occur. When that occurs, that's because the burr is heating up to the point that it vaporizes the water. At that point, you want to lift the burr up, let it spin in the water a little bit to cool down, and continue. And we're going to repeat this process. Down, burst, down, cool, down. Let the drill bit do the work. Don't force it, because if you get it too hot, the little diamonds will come off of the burr, and you'll have to get a new burr. Now at some point, you're going to feel a little bit of relief in the pressure that you need. When this occurs, it's the burr beginning to go through the back of the glass. At this point, you want to slow down and go very slowly. So, oh, there it went. You go very slowly now to finish your hole. And I go down until I hear that other sound, which is engaging the block. Turn your drill press off. Take your piece of glass out. And if I can line it up here, I'll show you a very beautiful hole. I hope you enjoyed this video. All the tools shown in the video are available via the links below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Cheers.